Today we're in Fairfax Corner, a modern neighborhood that's a mix of business and residential. It's also very pet friendly, and on any given day you'll see people visiting businesses and retail shops with their dogs. Most shop owners encourage customers to shop with their pets, and they keep water and treats on hand for visiting canines. Now this is a great place if your dog has good manners. But what do you do if your dog exhibits rude behavior? Leash pulling, loud barking, jumping can embarrass and humiliate dog owners. As much as you love your canine companions, sometimes their behavior makes you keep them away from public places. Randi Mouri, shelter volunteer and owner of Balanced Dog Training, educates caregivers and other volunteers on basic training of adoptable shelter dogs.
I volunteer at the Fairfax County Animal Shelter with the volunteers to work on educating them with working with dogs with different techniques. So there's currently 5 trainers at the Fairfax County Animal Shelter performing classes, helping out with the morning run crews and just working with the dogs in general. With shelter dogs, you can get any behavior from a particular dog, but when you first meet that dog, it's not always the behavior you're going to end up with. So when you bring home a shelter dog, you can expect somewhere between 3 days and as long as a couple weeks it may take your dog to feel comfortable in the new environment. I don't have a treat. I could say, yes, and she'll touch my hand, touch my hand. In training, we will always want to start with creating a good relationship based on trust with the dog. So I like to create my markers as a form of communication so I can let the dogs know when they're doing things right, good, and when they aren't doing things right. And then I'm going to almost have him fail, so I'm just going to wait till he jumps just so you know what to do if he does jump, because he's going to get frustrated. There we go. So I just ignore him. And then I come back, say, good. So if they make a mistake, we don't try and correct it. We just try and nonchalantly say, you got it wrong, try it again. A lot of behaviors stem from boredom that are unacceptable. So if you are exercising your dog and giving it physical and mental stimulation, a lot of those behaviors tend to go away on their own.